Build, test, and develop powerful Apple applications with the official development environment for macOS. In this video, you'll learn how to download and install Xcode for Mac and configure it for a smooth development workflow. Complete Xcode installation and initial setup. Configure the Apple development environment. Create and manage Xcode projects. Work with Swift and supported Apple development tools. Use simulators for testing applications. Troubleshoot common build and configuration problems. We'll also show you how to fix common issues such as Xcode installation failures, simulator problems, missing SDKs, code signing errors, developer account issues, build failures, package resolution errors, crashes, and slow indexing. Follow the steps carefully to configure Xcode correctly and prepare your Mac for Apple app development. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mac software installation guides, developer tools, programming.